Hey friends and followers, today's informative video goes out to those individuals that are either currently selling or thinking about selling a home. If that applies to you, then you guys are not going to want to miss this video. Stick around. So yes, as always, welcome back. So selling a home comes with a lot of excitement. It opens up new avenues and new adventure in a new living space, or sometimes a new location altogether. There are a few different tips and tricks that your real estate professional should be able to share with you to make this process as smooth as possible, one of which I intend to share with you guys now. Other states may slightly differ, but per some statistics this year provided to us by the excellent folks over at floridarealtors.org, here in the Sunshine State, 80% of home buyers in the market obtain financing to purchase their home. This is an important statistic to know because as a seller, the chances of getting a finance-backed offer is highly likely. One certain caveat to obtaining a home through financing is, of course, the appraisal process. The appraisal process is how the financial institution providing the loan can assure that the amount that they are lending on is in fact accurate and of correct value. With this being said, there are also certain repair items that an appraiser will look for an FHA, VA, or USDA-backed home loan. Some of those repair items are as follows. Pertaining to the structure of the home, first and foremost, the foundation. Other than normal settling cracks that may be present, an appraiser will look for signs of bowing walls or any type of water intrusion in the home. From there, they'll take a look at the crawl spaces, making sure that there's at least 1.5 feet space to access areas where plumbing, electrical, ductwork, or insulation may be present. They'll next take a look at paint. Any type of peeling paint, whether it be interior or exterior, will need to be removed and painted over, as exposed material is generally considered unacceptable. Next, they'll take a look for any sort of leaks in the home. Any type of leaking water, whether it be plumbing, the HVAC system, the roof, or the foundation, you can expect to come up as an item on the appraisal report that will need to be repaired. Another area is the attic area. Looking up into the attic area, any type of missing insulation, areas of mold, damaged ductwork, or incorrect connection to exhaust venting systems will be sure to raise a concern. An item that an appraiser will especially look for is any damaged or exposed electrical. This could be everything from exposed wiring, broken junction boxes or receptacle covers, and of course any sort of wiring hanging directly out of the ceiling. Now, certain safety devices in the home will be checked as well, including everything from smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, hot water heater, pressure relief valves, and specifically regarding the mobile or manufactured homes, they will of course check into the strapping systems used under the home to make sure that they are secure and up to date. An appraiser will sometimes even look at items that you didn't even think that they would. Overhead garage door openers, window and door locks, handrails, uneven concrete, and even damage to sheds or fences. Now, most of these items that may come up and look to be addressed are generally easy fixes and may only take a few minutes to facilitate. In some rare cases, you may need to output an expense to correct some of these items that came up in order to push the loan forward for the buyer. This is where having a good working knowledge of your home is an important factor, and perhaps a thorough walkthrough to some of these items prior to an appraisal, or even better, prior to putting the home on the market, is best practice. After all, sellers generally want to make the best impression of their home in the eyes of a buyer in an effort to not only make the most amount of net possible, but of course to show off the love, care, and tediousness that was put into that home. Now, in some cases, some sellers are only interested in offering their home in as-is condition to a given buyer, and that's okay too. As they say in the world of real estate, everything is negotiable. Please note that this may, of course, directly affect the amount of people that are not only able to finance, but ultimately purchase your home as well if you happen to fall into that category. Well, there you have it, friends. Those are some things to keep in mind regarding the appraisal repair items upon accepting an offer and selling a home. Hopefully you guys were able to take away some value from this video. Please be reminded, no matter what side of the table that you are on, I would love to be of assistance, be it buying, selling, or investing. As always, to stay up to date with great residential real estate information like this and anything regarding the OCALA Marion County area, slide on over to the page and give it a like and subscribe to be notified when awesome videos like this do come out. As always, thanks for tuning in and checking them out. We'll catch you guys on the next.